LR-Mate is a compact 6-axis industrial robot produced by FANUC, designed to perform precise automated tasks in small spaces such as production lines, laboratories, workshops, packaging stations, and cleanrooms. It is referred to as a tabletop-sized robot because its working footprint is small, while still offering high speed and reliability. LR-Mate series allows flexible movement similar to a human arm, enabling handling, assembly, machining, pick and place. It is designed for small production cells or desktop applications without requiring major space modifications. Depending on the model, payload ranges from 4 kg to 14 kg, enabling precise manipulation of tools and parts. LR-Mate series supports 2D and 3D vision, including FANUC curve vision for quality inspection, object detection, orientation, and measurement. It is used for food handling, pharmaceutical labs, medical device assembly, and electronics manufacturing. Low power consumption compared to larger industrial robots.